Today we want to test this video with 2 million views. Is it real or fake? Repeat with me now to see the result together. Let's test. I find this challenge fascinating to many. I myself am very excited about how much my nose is going to change. My brother sees me and thinks I'm crazy. I think it's very good that the exercises are simple and make it easier. I feel my nose has changed. Do you feel like me? I feel the change, but I do not know if it has changed or not. Please comment on your experience with this video. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.